How to cancel app download on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. In the App Store, tap on Search at the bottom right to proceed. Tap on the search bar and type in the name of the app you want to download. For example, Call of Duty. Tap on the search key on the keyboard to display the results. Locate the Call of Duty app in the list and tap on it. Over here, tap on the download icon to download the app. Wait while the progress completes. Now, go back to your home screen. As you can see, the app is still being downloaded. If you want to stop the download, then tap and hold the app. And then, tap on Cancel Download from the options. You have now successfully stopped the downloading progress. Following these steps, you can easily cancel app download on iPhone.